Hey guys, back at another restore. Let's see what's in here. Fan in the corner there. Two of these low profiles. I wonder if these would be... I don't think Rick likes that version. I don't like that version either. Otherwise, it'd be possible for the potential GMS install. Okay, same restore. This is the famous cursed bathroom install in the bathroom. It was off. I did turn it on. Light, despite having bulbs, did not turn on. Note also that it still has a price tag. That's medium. Okay, let's see if there's anything else interesting for sale. Okay, so there's the showroom. Cursed bathroom. Anything back here? No. They've been in this location for a while, but it's changed a lot. Some of the areas that are open to the public used to be closed, and vice versa. Fan in there. Lights. Yeah. Definitely seems like the restores are mostly taking new stuff now. Okay, thanks for watching.